If you're thinking about the real estate market in Brantford, Ontario, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into the latest market stats for July 2024, reviewing all the latest data and trends. I'll be sharing some valuable insights that will help you make informed decisions about your next move. Let's get started. Let's begin by looking at the Big Six, our key metrics for the month. The median sale price in Brantford in June came in at $620,000. This is a 2.5% increase from May, although it's down 4.2% compared to June last year. Homes are selling very quickly, with the average of just 13 days on the market in June. That's a significant drop of 31.6% from May. Looking at the median residential resale price over the past 5 years, we can see some interesting trends. In February 2022, we hit a high point of $795,000. By October 2022, prices had dropped to $560,000 as interest rates continued to be increased all year. Now, fast forward to June 2024, the median price is back up to $620,000. That's a 10.7% increase from the low point, but still 22% below the previous peak. With interest rates beginning to come back down, we expect prices to begin to rise once more. When we compare Brantford to neighboring regions, we see that home prices here remain quite competitive. For instance, looking at a home in Milton, you're looking at a median price of $1,061,000. That's 68% higher for the same size and style of home than you need to pay here in Brantford. This really makes Brantford a more affordable option for anyone looking to buy in Southern Ontario, and especially anyone looking to stay connected to the greater Golden Horseshoe area. The number of homes selling each month has its normal seasonal cycle. We had our peak sales month in April this year, and it's been 2 months of decline since. From January to June 2024, there have only been 714 sales. This is the lowest demand we've seen in the past decade, which could present a very unique opportunity for buyers. The interesting thing about this year is we expect demand to increase in the back half of the year as interest rates continue to come down and more buyers come off the sidelines. Next, let's talk about the inventory. There are currently 364 homes for sale as of the end of June. That's up 4.5% from May and up an incredible 23.6% from last year. This increase in inventory could shift the market into more balanced conditions, making it the most favorable it's been for buyers since 2015, especially when we look into some very specific market segments like condominiums and homes priced here over $1 million. Interestingly, homes in Brantford are selling at 100% of their asking price on average. This means that equal number of homes are selling above asking price and below asking price. This is actually up 1.3% from last month, showing that the offers in June were even stronger than in May. Sellers are still able to get their asking prices despite the increased inventory. The average time to sell a home in Brantford is now just 13 days. This is a significant reduction, 31.6% down from May and 7.1% lower than last year. This rapid turnover suggests a hot market where well-priced homes do not stay on the market for very long. When we compare sales versus active listings, we get a clear picture of the market dynamics. With the red dots representing the sales, you can see the active part of the market is homes under $1 million that have been on the market under 30 days. There are a lot of sellers watching their days on market continue to rise, and they're going to break up into 2 different groups. One group is going to need to sell, and they're going to have to adjust their price to get that offer to come in the door. The second group is just going to let their home expire and come off the market sometime later this year as we head into the winter, and that's going to cause a further drop in the inventory. This chart shows clear data that as a home seller, you want to do everything you can to ensure you get it right the first time when listing your home for sale, and make sure you are receiving and negotiating an offer in under 30 days on market. If you don't get it sold right away, you need to be thinking about changing your strategy sooner rather than later. In addition, selling a home over $1 million in Brantford requires an extra bit of marketing push and some patience to attract that right buyer in this very competitive marketplace. On the flip side, for buyers, there's a big opportunity to go shopping for properties that may have been overlooked by other buyers. or you're going to need to be ready to jump on those new listings if you want to compete with something that is fresh on the market. Now, if you're a buyer with over $1 million to spend, you've got a ton of negotiating power if you want to come here to Brantford. So what does this all mean for you? Well, if you're considering selling, now might be a great time. Demand is still strong and homes are selling quickly, basically at full price. If you're looking to buy, the increased inventory means more options for you and potentially better deals as competition amongst the sellers heats up. If you have any questions about Brantford real estate, or you need some personalized assistance with buying or selling a home, that's what I'm here to help with. Feel free to reach out to me directly for a more detailed research package and discuss your specific situation. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, hit that notifications bell for more updates from me. See you next time.